Hey everyone! Today I will show you how to create a LinkedIn business page. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to create a company page on LinkedIn for your business. First, head over to LinkedIn website and make sure you're signed in to your account. Once you're logged in, go to the top right hand corner and click for business. Scroll all the way down and select create a company page. From the list of options, click on company and this will take you to the company page creation screen. Before you continue, keep in mind that you need to have enough connections in your LinkedIn network to create a page. This usually means having at least one connection on your profile. As long as you're connected with someone on LinkedIn, you should be able to proceed. Now you can start filling in the details. So let's add a name, then set your LinkedIn public URL. So this is the custom link people will use to find your business page. If the name you choose is already taken, you can modify it slightly, for example, by adding a number or variation. If you have a business website, enter it in the website field. Next, type in your industry in here. You could put IT or anything and choose the most relevant option from the drop down list. Choose your organization size and organization type. If you have a company logo, you could add it in here. Upload it to make your page look more professional. You could also add a tagline for your business, and you can have up to 120 characters so you can write a short sentence or two describing what your company does. Once everything is filled in, tick on the verification box to confirm that you're authorized to create a page. Then click on Create Page. And just like that, your LinkedIn business page is set up. You can also click on View as a member from the left hand navigation panel to see how your page looks to the public. And that is just basically it, how to create a LinkedIn business page. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel and leave a like.